Welcome to the accredited Level 3 Safer Food Supervisor. This is food supervisory training for all chefs, supervisors and managers. This course helps you meet your EHO compliance and due diligence requirements. It's a video-based course, so let's have a look at some of the footage.
We're going to do some swabbing. Now, I've already swabbed Nick. Nick's going to swab me in a minute too. Then we're going to swab some areas of the kitchen. So he's put them into 3 groups, hasn't he, Nick?
He has. Obviously, as you can see, the ones that are perfectly clear, which should be mine and yours, hands, and another. We've got 3 out of 7 working properly. Yeah. So I think we need to kind of review, verify, and take some corrective actions in our cleaning schedules.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do a thing called a reveal. So you probably, as the cameraman pans down to the front here, there's a whole load of 10 cards here, which has got what food poisoning or non-food poisoning, bacteria, etc., foodborne disease, whatever it is, applies to these finished dishes, these multiple dishes as Nick talked about. Yeah. And in a minute we're going to go through each dish and we're just going to reveal the ones that apply to each dish, so you can kind of get it when it's got. Because you might have done everything right with the chicken, but you might have not cooked the rice properly, or you might have not washed the salad properly, so it's kind of like all fitting together as Nick talked about.
Yeah. Ultimately, what you need to do is kind of think of what's in there and how can I start to get rid of it. You know, good management techniques. Novavirus is gone. I can't do this upside down. Chemical food poisoning is gone. Metal and pesticides gone. I've cooked it properly. Gone. And what I'm just going to show you is how quickly one simple mistake will suddenly cause massive problems within your kitchen. As the last light goes out, I'll talk you and walk you through this. I pick the butter up. This is getting quite frightening as we're going through a very, very simple process. Now obviously I touch the plate. Look at that. You see that? That's the worrying bit. It's now on that toast as well when I picked it out of the toast, and obviously when I touch the plate. This is a typical outside bin. The main point about this is look how heavy that lid is. It's a sealable lid. You're not going to get a fox or a bird or anything else, actually, or a rat lifting that up. It's quite heavy.
What have you bought? We were meant to be getting proper training equipment. So you need to set an example as a supervisor, as a general. You need to lead your troops, and you need to be able to take some body blows against that endless stream of biological bacteria.
What we'll tend to do when we go into a business is actually look at quite a few things and probably get your staff involved. Ask them what are they recording, what are the daily checks that they need to do. That's the way that we can find out whether you've actually implemented a working food safety management system into your business.
The Safer Food Supervisor is EHO audited, including the syllabus and content, and it helps meet all your compliance and due diligence requirements. It contains an extensive bank of high-quality video-based content and is available to study flexibly online 24/7, including free retests. This course also includes the latest updates, including the new E. coli 0157 guidance. And it's also the UK's lowest cost, fully accredited Level 3 food supervisory course.